How to add a phone number to Cash App. You can definitely add a phone number to Cash App. For that, just go ahead and then launch Cash App, and this is the interface you will see. Then tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side. Then under account and settings, just go to the option that says personal again. Once you go to personal, here you'll find contact info. So here you can see add phone or email. So all you have to do is just tap on add phone or email button, and right at the bottom you'll find the option to add a mobile number. Tap on the add mobile number option and just make sure to go ahead and then make sure to enter the new mobile number you want to use. Then after that, tap on the next option. Then it will send a verification code to this mobile number. Make sure that you have access to the mobile number and that you're receiving messages. Once you verify the code, the phone number will be added as a contact information on your Cash App. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.